Okay, so I've got my screen set up a little different at the moment because I want to show you this top layer here where some of the controls are located. So what I wanted to do was to show you the preferences. So the preferences are under the edit, go down to preferences here, and you get a certain number of options. Now this is the saving DPI. I use 96 because that is also what my laser uses, and I sometimes design for my laser in Shortcuts a lot. So remember the last matte size, pretty obvious. Auto scale the matte to fit the window, so this fits the window that you've got. Keep the matte visible while cutting, so you can still see it while it's working, yeah. Automatically switch property tabs based on the current selection. No, I don't bother having that one done. Warn me about having too many fonts installed. I got it checked, but I've never been warned so far. Embed images in project files. I think that's quite important because you won't necessarily be able to tell what your project is otherwise. Show menu font sample, that's pretty obvious, and the ones which are more useful are the edit ones. Constrain angle, if you're doing a line or an angle, it constrains it as you drag your line. 15 degrees, fine. Nudge, 0.025 centimeters, nope, I don't want that. I want that at 0.100. Arrow key increments, I want at 0.200. Keep objects on matte when dragging. No, I want to be able to drag my objects, I should say, off the mat to have them in a work area. So I definitely don't want that one done. Keep proportions as default. Yeah, fine. Do not keep proportions on free transform. Yeah, I still want to keep the proportions because generally that's what I need to do. Default shadow size, I'm going to go for 0.100. Automatically simplify shapes, simplify threshold 10, yes. That just takes excess nodes out. And the other one is never fill open paths. Sometimes it's important to know if your path is open or closed. And if you don't have that checked, you can still fill open paths and you might think the path is closed when it isn't. So I keep that one checked and I click on OK. So those are the preferences for Shortcuts lot.